You're here. There's a car coming towards you that's here. Who's going to go first? Look at this sign here. It's a circle sign. It's an order. It's a red circle sign. Who's going to go first? You or oncoming traffic? You, me or them? Just put me or them. Is it me here or is it them, people coming towards you? Who goes first? If you don't know, please tell me. You're here to learn. I'm here to teach you. So if you don't know, don't just copy what other people are putting in. Tell me you don't know. And I'll make this sign easy for you to learn. If everybody knows, I'll move on quickly. If a lot of people don't know, I will give you a clue to how to know easily every single time. Does that make sense? So if you don't know, please don't just copy other people's answers or just sit there at home thinking, everybody seems to know, but I don't know. Tell me. I'm here to help you. The sign gives the clue. It does, but it depends on how you read the sign. So I've seen lots and lots of people do know. That's awesome. But there are lots of people that don't know. Can I just explain really, really quickly so that everybody knows? Let me find a whiteboard so I can draw it for you. Okay. So what you can see on this sign here, you can see an arrow in red. Red for no, red for danger. And it's small. And you can see an arrow in black that's bigger, and it's black. That means we don't have priority. We go up the road. This is us going forwards. We don't have priority. People coming towards us have priority. Yeah, does that make sense? If we had priority, we would have the big black arrow and they would have the little red arrow. Okay, that means we've got priority. This is us, this is them. Does that make sense now? It's easy, isn't it?